Colocasia esculenta is a tropical plant grown primarily for its edible corms, a root vegetable most commonly known as taro, among many other names. It is the most widely cultivated species of several plants in the family Araceae that are used as vegetables for their corms, leaves, and petioles. How healthy is taro? Taro root is an excellent source of dietary fiber and good carbohydrates, which both improve the function of your digestive system and can contribute to healthy weight loss. Its high levels of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and vitamin E also help to maintain a healthy immune system and may eliminate free radicals. Is taro healthier than sweet potato? Nutrition information. Sweet potatoes are a relatively low in fat, low GI, a good source of vitamin A, as well as fiber, protein, vitamin C, iron, and calcium. Taro is high in dietary fiber, vitamin E, vitamin B6, potassium, and manganese. Is taro a superfood? Because taro root is actually one of those trendy superfood, filled with fibers, good sugars, minerals, vitamins, iron, zinc, and other good stuff. Is cassava and taro the same? Taro is short and oval. The cassava is easy to distinguish because it's long and narrow. These have a brown, bark-like outer skin, very much like a tree would but thin enough that it can be peeled off using a sharp vegetable peeler or your knife. The taro meanwhile is a stumpy little oval in shape with a pointed end.